Dave Demangos over here at Awesome San Diego Real Estate. And if you're a seller, this is very important. So just listen in for 2 minutes. You've got to hear this.
So what are we seeing? We are seeing an incredible buyer strength and buyer activity in this market, more so than we would see typically at this time of year. And that's for a lot of reasons. If you follow along with us, we've talked a lot about mortgage rates projected to rise, home prices projected to rise, and as that message gets out into the market, that gives buyers kind of that drive and that interest in purchasing before those two levers rise. Because they want affordability to work in their corner. And I'm willing to bet that you've been getting that message out there. So lots of reasons that buyers are actively searching for homes. A big one of those is the non-financial benefits of homeownership. We talked about that a lot last week when we were together. People's needs have changed and they are ready to make a change. And that's huge for today's market. So let me go ahead and show you what this buyer momentum looks like right now. This is the showing time monthly index. So an index that measures how many people are going out and looking at homes and scheduling showings. And you've seen this graph with us before, and I'm giving you the latest update today. So for a little context, the green bars show that really strong showing activity at the beginning of 2021, January through April. It was just really skyrocketing. And as we all felt, it softened a little bit in those orange bars through the middle of the year and into September. Well, the big news right now is that showing activity, or the number of people scheduling showings, that has ticked up in October. That is something that generally does not happen at this time of year. So when showings start to generally trail off towards the end of the year, more potential buyers are going out there and saying, actually, I really want to look for a home, and they're out there actively looking. That's the blue bar that you can see over on the right. So what I want to do is kind of break this down for you so you can see what this really means. So this is the showing index over the last 5 Octobers. We love to give you context here at PCM, and this really does that. So 2021, October 2021 is the blue bar. That's where we are today. That is higher than October of last year in the green bar. Remember, last year was record-breaking. So this is huge. This is a tick up at the time that showings generally drop. And if you compare that historically to the 3 years leading up to the pandemic, 2017, 18, and 19, we've blown that out of the water. So more people are out there looking at homes than normally at this time of year. So the buyers want to buy. Now, let's look at a quote that really helps solidify this. This is also from showing time, and it says, showing activity typically slows in fall, but we've seen buyer demand remain strong in many markets throughout the country to reverse the seasonal trends. Last fall, we saw an unparalleled rise in buyer demand, which makes October's year-over-year gains all that more impressive.
So there you go. There's more showings in the last 5 years at this time, the very end of 2021, going into 2022 in just 2 or 3 days here, than there has been in the last 5 years. So if you're a seller or had any thoughts of selling in San Diego or the surrounding areas, please reach out. I can show you all the trends and actual facts about how quick things are going pending, list to sell ratios and things like that. Or if you're looking outside of San Diego, I have a giant network of excellent agents all throughout the United States. I can even help you or the people you know and love with purchases, buyer, seller sides in just about any state. So Dave Demangos, EXP, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.